This time, we are going to solve this radical equation 4 plus cube root of x minus 6 is equal to 2. Remember the first step in solving a radical equation? We have to isolate the radical term. So we have to leave just the radical term here equals the other terms. So cube root of x minus 6. So to remove 4 here, we have to subtract 4 on both sides of the equation. So 4 minus 4 is 0. We did not write it anymore here. Equals 2 minus 4 is this one. So it's as if we are just transposing 4 to the other side of the equation. So we have to change the sign. It will become negative 4 from positive 4. So here, before we raise both sides of the equation by 3, we have to simplify 2 minus 4 first. So cube root of x minus 6 equals 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Now we are ready to raise both sides of the equation by 3. Why is it 3? Why is it not 2 or 4 or any number? It is because our index is 3. Whatever is the index, that is what we are going to raise on both sides of the equation. So here, we have to cancel the radical symbol and this exponent 3. What is left is x minus 6. Why is it x minus 6 only? Remember what I told you before, that when we say cube root of x minus 6, that is actually from x minus 6 raised to the power of 1/3. So when you have cube root of x minus 6 raised to the power of 3, that is actually x minus 6 raised to the power of 1/3, that's the cube root, and raised again to another power 3. So this is now power of a power. So what we are going to do is we multiply the exponents. So x minus 6, 3 times 1 is 3, divided by 3 is 1. That is why what is left here is actually just x minus 6. So negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Why is it so? Because that would be negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So here, we just have to leave x here because we are going to find the value of x. Then, since it is negative 6, we are going to add both sides by 6. So negative 6 plus 6 is 0. That's why it is just x here, negative 8 plus 6. So x equals negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. This is now the value of our x. But remember that we have to do the checking every time we have to solve an equation. So when we do the checking, we substitute the value of x to the original equation. So 4 plus cube root of x minus 6 equals 2. So 4 plus cube root of, instead of writing x, we have to write negative 2 minus 6 equals 2. So here, we have to simplify the radicand. Negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8 equals 2. Then, 4 plus cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. Because negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. That is the number under the radical symbol. Equals 2. So 4 plus negative 2 is positive 2, which is really equal to positive 2. So it results to a true statement. Therefore, we conclude that x is really equal to negative 2. This value will make this radical equation true.